Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enter BIOS menu and also the safe mode on your ASUS ROG Xbox One X. In order to enter BIOS menu, you have to power your device off completely, wait until it's shut down, and once your device is turned off, so once this power indicator starts glowing, you just have to short press the power button and then start repeatedly pressing the volume down button until the BIOS menu appears on your device's screen. In the BIOS menu, you can either use your touchpad to navigate and change values, or you can also use your D-pad to navigate and A to change values, use Y to go to advanced menu, use B to go back, or use B to exit without saving, and to save changes, press save and exit. To reset default values, select default right here, and yeah, that's basically it for the BIOS menu. So let's press B to exit without saving, press OK. And now I'm going to show you how to enter the recovery the recovery and the safe mode on your device. Though it's quite trickier in case of this device, since it doesn't have a physical keyboard to it, and it's more or less required, especially since the BitLocker will probably get triggered on your device. Therefore, I just want to show you how to get through the BitLocker to get access to your the safe mode on your device. And to do so, I'm going to switch the camera to the display of another device, where I'm going to show you how to access your BitLocker recovery keys, the one of which will match your ASUS ROG Xbox One X, so that you will be able to get through the BitLocker and eventually get through to the safe mode. It sounds complicated, I think, but it will be clear over time. And also, you're gonna have to connect a physical keyboard to your device to access safe mode. So I'm using this kind of adapter, a USB type C to USB type A, and in USB type A I have my dongle that is connected to my physical keyboard by using Bluetooth. And you can do the same thing, or just figure something out yourself. But yeah, it's gotta be connected to your device. So right now, let me switch the display so I can show you how to access your BitLocker keys. So open your web browser, open the search engine on it, and search for the aka.ms/MyRecoveryKey website. It's the official website by Microsoft, so you have nothing to worry about. I just paste this address into your search field or into your path field in your browser, and then you're gonna have to sign into your Microsoft account. I'm not sure why it doesn't want me to sign in. Give me another moment. So let me show you how to sign in. First, you have to provide your email address or phone number to your Microsoft account, the same Microsoft account that you're using on your ASUS ROG device. So I provide my email, and then you can either use your password, use your face fingerprints, PIN code or security key, or just send a code to your email address and then confirm your identity. It's the safest way, so I'm gonna choose it. Now the code was sent to another device that is logged to my mail account that is linked with my Microsoft account, so to this email address. So now I'm gonna have to enter the code from the email that I just received into this field. So give me a moment. Now let me enter the code. Then you can choose to either sign in, stay signed in or not. Let's select no. And now in front of you, you're gonna see the table with BitLocker recovery keys. The recovery key is in the middle column. You can identify your device by either the device name, if you know your device name, by key upload date, which are not sorted, by the way, but by the date. So the key upload date is the date when you set up your Microsoft account on your ASUS. But if you don't know neither of these, just look at the key ID. The key ID is something that you will see once the BitLocker gets triggered. So just keep this table around, and using your key ID, you'll easily find the matching recovery key that you're gonna have to enter in order to access the safe mode. So now let's go back to your ASUS. What you have to do is open the Start menu, go to Settings, go to System, swipe down to Recovery, and in the Recovery, find Advanced Startup, and tap Restart Now next to it. Then click Restart Now, and then connect the keyboard to your device. So we're gonna need it in a brief moment. Okay, wait until your device restarts. You should see, please wait, this sign. And once you are here, select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options, then go to Startup Settings, then select Restart, and once your device restarts, the BitLocker will probably get triggered just to lock your access to the startup settings. Yeah, you see it. So now what you have to do is press Enter on your keyboard to continue. I didn't find any matching key on here, neither does the display work. So just press Enter on your keyboard, and then what you have to do right now, if you don't know if you didn't find your BitLocker recovery key yet, is find the recovery key that matches the key ID. Let me focus the camera real quick. So here you can see the key ID. We only need the first part to identify our BitLocker recovery key. So just find the recovery key that matches this key ID in the table that you opened on your device. And once you're ready, just press Enter to continue. And now, in order to enable safe mode, you have to press 4 on your keyboard. As you can see, you have 3 different safe modes. Safe mode, the regular one with networking, or with command prompt. Let's press 4 to open the regular one. Now let's wait for the device to start up. And right now we are in the safe mode. If you had a fingerprint set up on your device, unfortunately it doesn't work in the safe mode, but the touchpad works here, and generally right now you can the touch screen. Generally right now you can do whatever you need here, and if you want to leave the safe mode, simply go to Power Options and select Restart and wait until your device is restarted. It will be restarted into the regular mode. So I can unplug the keyboard now. And that's how you do it. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.